we're going to share with you a very special sequence that we taught tonight. So hope you like it. Leave a comment in the section down below. Let us know what you think of it. Remember to hit a like. Don't hit a dislike. She'll get mad. It's true. Sugar push. Her right hand, my left hand to begin this sequence. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, for the ladies. We're just going to ladies forward first and not worry about what I'm doing. But you're going to bring her in, turn her to her left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you're turning her. As you're turning her, we're going to go this direction. You're going to turn her to her left. So you already make this go 1, 2. Leave your left hand, guys, down low so it doesn't connect and mess up with her left hand, which is going to be in the way for this, at least at the beginning. So on a sugar push, 3 and 4. Guys, leave the left hand low. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you do it right, leave it low enough, her left arm is just going to naturally drape over the connected hand. Okay? But for what I have to do, we'll do it in the same direction on that. Guys are coming around, so 1, 2, triple step. So I'm coming around fully onto the right rail. And I'm not square with her, I'm a little twisted, and so is she. She's not completely square. She's a little bit twisted for the next part, because the next part is a quick turn on 5, 6. So going this way, it's probably the best to see that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So it's a snap turn for the ladies. Guys, you're going to generate that turn. We're going to stop on 4, 3, and 4. Now as she's turning to the right on walk, I'm going to take her left arm, and I'm going to put in my left hand for 5, 6. So now I'm on my left foot, she's on her right foot. So going in again, we'll do a sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Okay? Because I'm going to get behind her on that second step. So let's go this direction so you can see probably behind her. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And I'm actually connecting with her biceps. 2 hands on her arms. No death grip. But 5, 6 has to stop her from completing a turn. Sugar push here. We're going to stop on 5, 6. Kind of want to do this as quickly. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. From here, it's a rock and go for 7 and 8. 7 and 8. I back up out of the way. Triple, triple. Kind of hard to do because we stopped and then started again. Well, let's flow into that, okay? So the snap turn creates the energy for the ending. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. Front to back. You want to connect with your pipes, biceps, I'll call them that. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. One more time this direction so you can see what I'm doing at the end. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. I come around. 7 and 8. Got to come around to the left side. And I triple. And I triple. Okay? That's the key. That first underarm connection there on by 4 is important. Some ladies get that arm twisted. Just take some practice. It works for you. Thank you, my dear. Thanks, guys. Hope you like that one. Click subscribe for a free video. We appreciate it. Check your manual. Subscribe to it. Have a good week. Have a great night. And as always, keep dancing.